Next, we have Dhiren from Momentum.
Hey everyone, I'm Dhiren. I'm the co-founder at momentum.sh. We are stuck in a vicious cycle where developers hate testing, but they are still not confident deploying the code to production. And at Momentum, we have built out an entire workflow to solve this problem. When a developer pushes to production, pushes to the remote repository, they come to our dashboard and they can jump into any project that they're working on. They're able to select the branch that they're working on and see a blast radius of the changes. The blast radius is essentially a possible scope of impact, all the APIs, entry points, paths that can be impacted by the changes. And they can go ahead and look at a visual representation of their entire code in order to understand what are the impact vectors, what is going to impact the complete output of the code base, and safe preferences here. They can then go ahead and generate a test plan, which will cover all the happy parts and edge cases for them, and eventually generate the test code. And the test code does take a few seconds to generate, so I already have a preloaded one. And you can run this on your local ID, no additional setup required. When you run this, this is actually like running in my ID right now. And it will show you all the tests that passed or failed, and you can see the stack trace of why anything failed. You can debug using the tool itself, and it will tell you, what are the problem statements, what are the solutions, what are the next steps. You can edit your test code using prompts from the suggestions given by a debugger, and essentially incorporate the tests in your code base. And finally, after doing all of this, if your reviewer needs help merging your code, they can use the GitHub board, which already also helps them look at the test plan and get it done. Thank you.
Thank you.
We are open source. Give us a star. Show some love. Thanks.
All right. We have two more contenders today. So